this video, I'm going to share with you an app that we can use to browse the internet, watch video, browse anything you want to browse without data. Oh my god! I am super excited. So I said, let me just rush here, run here and share this update with you guys. It's just an app. All you need to do is to go and download the app. So I'm going to be sharing this app with you and how you can download it. Follow me step by step so that you don't do this. Hello, so if this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow our YouTube channel. But I saw this beautiful updates and I was like, why not come and share with my people? MTN they show Shege Banza. God. So I said, let me rush here and share this update with you people. So guys, without wasting your precious time, let me go and share with you this app that you can use for free, no data needed, guys. So help me like this video, help me share this video to your family and friends so that they can use this data for free as well. Don't be stingy, guys. Like this video so that YouTube will take this video, push this video out. All right, so let's go, guys. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to come to your Play Store and then download this app that you're seeing like this. Download it 4G/5G. Make sure you download it like this. After downloading, you go ahead and open it. When you download it and when you open it, this is what will pop out. Just click on next. Alright, so when you get to this place, so use all the features of the application like measure phone signal, display info about network, and click on you click on allow. So after granting permission to them, you click on next. Then when you get to this place, you click on accept usage policy. Then you click on get started. When you get to this place, you click on method 2. Alright, don't forget, click on method 2. So when you get to this place, so I'm going to go ahead and off my data. Alright, I've off my data and then I'm going to put my data on flight mode as well. So I've already put my data on flight mode, as you can see. Let's go back. So when you get to this point, you come down. Alright, remember that you come down. You come down and click on this, turn this mobile radio power on. Alright, don't leave it off, turn it on. So after turning it on, you look up and click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen. When you get to this place, you click on disable data connection. Alright, so click on disable data connection and it will turn to enable data connection. So guys, let me take you to my Chrome and type something and see if it will work. Guys, let's go. So guys, I'm in my Chrome browser, so let's test run it, guys. So I'm going to type what is food. So guys, it worked. So the thing really worked. So food is any substance consumed by guys, this thing is awful, don't forget. So guys, the thing really worked. And as you can see, messages are also coming in and my phone is on flight mode. Jesus, this is a magic. Hey guys, try it out and let us know your thoughts at the comment. I am super happy. I can even WhatsApp with this method, with this app, guys. This is so sweet. Hey God, hey. If this video was helpful, give me a follow, like this video so that YouTube will push it out to as many people. Please help people in this time of the economy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.